Okay, just another really quick video. This one's for Marty Martins of Grenfell. I know he enjoys seeing a few coloured birds, so this one's for you, Marty. Little reduced opal hen there in the race team. I don't know if the colour's coming out in the video or not, but little slate, there's what I call me ugly pigeons. They've got the ugliest looking head on them you've ever seen. They're about 95% or more Harrison, believe it or not. They've got a little bit of Jansen back in the pedigree. There's two full brothers and sisters there. Let's get her now, she's not in the light. That's them, that's the ugly ones. There's another reduced opal there. And then I got the opal from Vince in Mildura. Then there's another reduced opal just there. She's a bit late bred, that one. If I can get her to move. There we go. Just a couple of yellows. Feathery footed one. And another later bred one there, looking a bit scruffy, but yeah. And there's just two here that are what racing guys normally call barless mealies, but they're spread ash red something or others, but yeah, I just care how they fly. They're nothing special. All you got to do is pair a black to a mealy or a black to a red. You probably end up with some of these ugly looking things. But there you go, Marty. If you're lucky, I'll breed you one of those opals just to brighten up your loft. Okay, that'll do. Catch us.